Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how to draw this. I don't know that you'd ever draw it. And I still don't understand why combine does what it does, but we're going to experiment. I just drew an ellipse and hit P. I'm going to draw a 2-point line and I'm going to hit P. I'm going to take that line, I'm going to shift select my oval or my circle, and I'm going to hit T. I'm going to take that line, I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, shift select the circle and hit B. So now I have one. Maybe I didn't make it. Yeah, I did. Shift select the circle and hit B. Now I'm going to take this line and make it quite a bit thicker. Then I'm going to take this line and make it even thicker. Now for this to work, you've got to take this line and go to Object and convert the outline to an object. Take this line, go to Object, convert outline to object. I don't know why it said that. But we still have a curve, so go to Object. I must hit the wrong, convert the outline to an object. Then shift select the other one, open up your effects and blend. I'm going to blend them 16 times. Now you can play with and I've just been playing around. If you'll go back to this blend tool, you can kind of change your progression of the way it's blended, and you can play around with it till you get tired of doing it. Now we're going to select this, and you've got to, for this to work, you got to go break the blend apart. Now I'm going to take away the top one, and I'm going to take away the bottom one. Now this is still a group. Matter of fact, I'm going to expand it down a little bit. Then I'm going to take both objects and go right here to back minus front. Now I'm going to go over here and left click black, right click no outline. Now I'm going to take another ellipse, quite a bit smaller, and hit P. And then I'm going to shift select the top and hit P. Now, why this does this, I have no clue. Go to combine and look at that. It makes it the exact opposite of what you're doing. Let's put a yellow background on this one and see if what it actually looks like. It'll look the same. I mean, look at that. It turned the black to transparent and turned the transparent lines to black. And you could, do anything you wanted to this. You could make them all this dark purple and then put them on a black background. And look at that. This is probably the best way to do it, being black or yellow. Anyway, give that a shot. Thank you for watching.